Hey, what's up, Gala coin holder? So what's going on this time? The Gala coin price is hour by hour, minute by minute decreasing. In last 24 hour, 3.98% the price is decreasing now. So that's really bad news, my friend, for all Gala coin holder. But don't worry, my brother. After a short dump, obviously every coin, my friend, will take a very huge jump. So therefore, I'm 100% sure to upcoming time, my friends, Gala will also get a very good farms now. In this time, my friend, the market cap, the fully diluted market cap volume, all, my friend, is very badly decreased now. So therefore, I will notify you to please in upcoming time. We are going, my friends, to collaborate with a lot of companies. So kindly, if you want to get a profit now, please come here now and just only wait for a good time. I hope they will make you a millionaire now. So this time, as you can see here in last one day, you can see here they cannot get a profit. Very badly falls down, my friend. And that's all credit goes to short time investor. If a short time investor are starting selling, so the coin will completely falls down. As you can see here, my friend, just only in the start of this day, my friends, they will get a profit, but after that they will completely falls down. So please don't starting holding, my friends, just only buy it and sell it. I hope, my friend, they will recover everything now and they will give you something very special information about that. So please, holders, don't starting selling. My opinion is for all of you to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. And yes, I'm 100% sure, my friends, to if you check out the last 7 days, so the last 7 days chart is going positive. You can see here everything is going positive. So that's mean, my friend, to the prices increasing. So holders, please don't starting selling, hold it. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time they will make you a millionaire now. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.